Background and political climate. During the early 16th century, Orissa was ruled by the Gajapati kings, who were considered the religious and temporal leaders of the region. The Jagannath temple was central to the socio-religious life of Orissa, and the Gajapati kings played a critical role in maintaining the temple's sanctity. However, this period was also marked by political upheaval as the Gajapati kingdom faced external threats from Muslim invaders and later the Mughals. 1558 CE, the role of Maharaja Ramachandra Deva I. The fall of the Gajapati kingdom. In 1558, Orissa witnessed a significant political shift. The Gajapati kingdom fell to the Sultanate of Bengal, and control over Puri passed briefly into the hands of Muslim rulers. During this time, the Jagannath temple faced neglect, and its rituals were disrupted. The invaders attempted to interfere with the temple's functioning, but the local population and temple priests continued to uphold the traditions in secret. Restoration by Maharaja Ramachandra Deva I. Amidst this political turmoil, Maharaja Ramachandra Deva I, a descendant of the Eastern Ganga dynasty, emerged as a key figure. After driving out the invaders and reclaiming Puri, he took significant steps to restore the Jagannath temple and re-establish its rituals. Ramachandra Deva is credited with reviving the temple's administration and reinstating the sacred rituals that had been disrupted during the years of turmoil. Codification of rituals and administration. Ramachandra Deva I laid down detailed guidelines for the temple's administration, defining the roles of different servitors and organizing the structure that continues to function today. He ensured that the rituals were conducted as per the traditional scriptures, maintaining the sanctity of the daily and special ceremonies. The management of the temple was streamlined under the supervision of the royal family, with the Gajapati king acting as the foremost servitor of Lord Jagannath. The Rath Yatra and its significance. Revival and expansion of the Rath Yatra. The 16th century saw the transformation of the Rath Yatra, chariot festival, into a grand event with widespread participation. While the Rath Yatra had existed before, Maharaja Ramachandra Deva I expanded its scale, making it a major religious and cultural spectacle that attracted pilgrims from across India. The chariots for Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra were constructed with greater grandeur, and the procession became an event of immense significance in the religious calendar. The role of the Chera Pahanda ritual. During the Rath Yatra, the Gajapati king would perform the Chera Pahanda ritual, where he would sweep the chariots with a golden broom. This symbolic act demonstrated the humility of the king, who, despite his royal status, considered himself a mere servant of Lord Jagannath. The ritual continues to this day, symbolizing the deep connection between the Gajapati kings and the temple. Literary and cultural developments. Promotion of Vaishnavism. The period saw a resurgence in Vaishnavism, largely influenced by the Bhakti movement. Poets and saints like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited Puri during this time, further elevating the significance of the Jagannath temple as a center of devotion. The Bhakti tradition emphasized a personal connection with the divine, and this period witnessed a flourishing of devotional literature and practices centered around Lord Jagannath. Contribution to Odia literature and culture. The 16th century also saw significant contributions to Odia literature, much of which was inspired by the Jagannath tradition. Works like the Jagannath Charitamrita were composed during this time, celebrating the glory of the deity and the temple's rituals. These literary creations played a crucial role in preserving and promoting the Jagannath culture across generations. References and historical sources. Madala Panji. The Madala Panji, the temple's chronicle, is a significant source of information on the history of the Jagannath temple. It documents the events of this period, including the restoration efforts of Ramachandra Deva I in the revival of the Rath Yatra. The Madala Panji is maintained by the temple priests and provides detailed accounts of the temple's administration and rituals over centuries. Inscriptions and royal decrees. Inscriptions from the 16th century, found in and around the temple, mention the administrative reforms introduced by Maharaja Ramachandra Deva I. These inscriptions provide insights into the allocation of resources, the organization of temple servitors, and the codification of rituals. Historical texts and Bhakti literature. Various texts from the Bhakti tradition, especially those linked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's visit to Puri, highlight the religious fervor of this period. Chaitanya's disciples wrote extensively about the significance of Puri and the importance of the Rath Yatra. Jai Jagannath.